Good afternoon. Thank you, Mr. Majority Leader. Representative Gail Lavielle from the 143rd. Just a couple of comments. I first thank you all for being here to present to us. This is an excellent and really important discussion. Just a comment, I can't remember who was saying early in the presentations that when we are talking about abortion, it's not only a personal choice, but a medical choice. And I know that when in some discussions elsewhere, when rhetoric gets heated, it's always about personal choice, but it's even more than that. You know, I certainly government doesn't belong in anyone's personal choices, and I firmly believe that. But my goodness, when did we ever see people asserting that government absolutely belongs in people's medical choices? That's outrageous. So that's just one thing that struck me that I wanted to mention because it's true. But the second thing with the fake clinics, what is really appalling, besides all the things that everyone has mentioned, is that I just said something about government not belonging in people's personal choices and personal business and medical choices. Since when do other people who aren't even the government belong in people's personal choices and medical choices and personal business? And that's what we're looking at here. And I find that just beyond unacceptable. We have to do something about this. And I'm so glad that it came up because certainly we have plenty of models now with different ordinances to look into this, but in no way should other people be involved in somebody's choice about what to do in the medical realm or the personal realm, especially if they've never met them. And I would just add that although this discussion has occurred at this particular juncture, these are questions for all time. And we should be working on these things regardless of what happens because they're fundamental principles. And I think that there is some urgency just because it was always there and maybe we should have done it before. So thank you very much for this opportunity to discuss these very important subjects.